Hello there everyone and welcome to the new iWeb Wednesday tutorial. Today I've got something pretty cool, and I know I usually say that, but this time I'm being serious because I didn't even know this they had this out on the website or on the web. Pretty much what it is, it's a comment box. If you look at my screen and see it's pretty much a comment box that you put on your website through HTML with a subject and a field for you to add your text in. And then it sends you a email notification, or you can also check it on the website. It's like Wubbles something. It's Woofu. That link is in the description along with all the usual good stuff. So I'm pretty much gonna take you in, show you how to make it look a little bit cooler on your website, as well as how to make actually the box. So let's get started. Alright, so once you launch woofu.com, it'll take you to this website. It does require you to make an account. However, the account is totally free, and this allows you to have up to 3 different comment boxes and stuff like that. Although there is paid versions, which allows you to do much more. So if you guys are interested, there is that as well. Pretty much when you log in and you make an account, it looks like this. This is one that I just made, so that's what it looks like. If you see like the entries, here it is, down here. I couldn't find it for a sec. But this is just a test I did, and it's, as you can see, I did this from my website. It says test, cool page, whatever. That's just a little thing that I did to, test it out. So it does work. It's totally, free and totally awesome. So, first thing you want to do is you want to, hit new form up here in the top. And then the user interface is also really simple. I found it's very user friendly. So when you first start it off, here it is. It says standard. There's several options to choose from. There's like the single line text, which is pretty much like kind of a subject or maybe something. Paragraph text, which is obviously for more of a extended responses. You can always click these and hit delete if you don't want it. Add field. Let's go back to multiple choice. Here's more of like a multiple choice thing. So yeah, there's drop down boxes, check boxes, and a bunch of cool stuff with page breaks and everything. So I'm just gonna make it pretty much a basic comment box, kind of like an email with a field and or the subject and the field. So I already got the subject up here. It just says entitled for right now, but we can change that later. And let's send a paragraph field. So that's pretty much what it is. Now after this, what we want to do is we want to hit save form. This will save it, and it'll give you some options of continue editing, email notifications, but we can do that later, and form manager, which is just pretty much like I'm finished, take me back. So I'll hit continue editing, and if we come over here to the top where it says field settings, we can see there's we can title everything. So like let's say we want to title this subject, so subject. And of course, we can also always change the size of the field, along with, if it's required or not. Like, if you want to make this required for everyone to send it back and forth, you can make it an administrator only, which pretty much means it's locked unless you have a password, along with a range of characters from 0 to whatever amount. So that's that. We can come down here, click on the other one. Let's call this body text. And let's make this required. However, the subject is not required. And also the same things applies with the administrator only. The range, let's just say this to 250. And hit save form. Now, this screen again, continue editing, so on. Let's hit continue editing, because I want to talk a little bit about themes. And what themes is pretty much how it looks. Yeah. So they have a bunch of customization options actually, which surprised me. You can upload your own logo, but you need the image URL. Or you can just go with a Woofu symbol. However, if you scroll down, they have a bunch of other ones with butterflies, stars. I'm sorry, it's kind of funny sounding. Like they have rising suns. Katana blade. I thought that kind of looked like a cool wave. You can do that if you want. Move it down here. You can change the color of the wallpaper, the background, or they even have different customization like patterns. So let's say we can scroll down. They have a bunch of these. Like I want this one, so we'll click that. Maybe change the header. All of this can be changed. So go around, and once you make an account, Just gotta type in your email address, password, and then you're pretty much set. So yeah, so check that out when you make an account. It is really simple. You can also always change, all the fonts along with all the font sizes and colors. So that's pretty much that. And let's say I want to keep this, so I'll come up here and hit Save Theme. Then it'll say ask for a name, so let's just call this Demo 1. And I'll hit Submit. Now this form, or this theme is going to be saved. So here I've got this untitled form, which is the one that I just made. I don't have a title for it. And here's this default theme. Let's bring this to Demo 1. So now that that one I just made is the theme of Demo 1. That theme that I also just made. So that's pretty cool. If we want to hit View, this is what it's going to look like when it's on your website. Of course, it'll be a little bit smaller, and the background won't be as big. So that's pretty much that. There's you can edit a little bit more, change around the notifications. If you hit the notifications button, here you can enter in your email address. So let's just say medievalhollywood@gmail.com. Then send emails, notifications for new entries or new comments. You can change those, hit save. I've already got one set up, so I'll just kind of show you with that one. Once you title it and everything, you come down here and where it says code, hit that button. It'll take you to this page where you can either embed it, get a full page code. I recommend doing embedding, especially for like iWeb, because this is like pretty much what it is. It uses JavaScript, so if you just click it, it should select all of it. Hit Command C to copy, and then come back here over to iWeb or something. And I'll just go back to my home page. Here's my home page, and I'm taking an HTML snippet, pull that in, and paste it right on in there. Hit Apply, and then here's the box. Now you can extend it as far out to the side as you want. However, it doesn't go as far down because, as you can see, there's a little bit more black over here. And that's pretty much the box. Now, if you want to add some cool textures, kind of make it blend a little bit more with your website, kind of like what I did here with the adding a black background. What you want to do is you want to add first a black background or a shape down here in the Shapes tab along the bottom taskbar. And let's just say I want this one, because this kind of adds nice round edges and everything. So let's bring it up to size a little bit. And it's really important that you put this down first, because if not, then it will be on top of your original comment box or whatever it is. So it's pretty important to put this down first. So let's just make it about that size. We can change it on the size later. So take that, and if we come up here into the where it is. Darn, where'd it go? Inspector, here it is. Sorry about that. If you hit the inspector, come up here along the top, hit this middle button, kind of with a box and circle. We can hit the fill, and we can change the color of that box to green or whatever. Let's just make it kind of a darker green. So there's that. And remember that HTML snippet? Let's bring that in there and paste it in there one more time. Hit apply, and then there's our comment box. We can change this out, make it a little bit longer, and then we can grab the green background and kind of change around the size to make it look a little bit nicer. Center it, and there you go. That's pretty much how you make a comment box. Now when you publish your website and you have someone send this to you, you'll get an email notification, and along with all the text in it saying what the person said and everything. Or also you can always check this on woofu.com, and again that link is in this the sidebar. So this has been the iWeb Wednesday tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, there's no tutorials next week except for on Friday, when I'm going to release a big color correction tutorial. Several part series I've already started planning. So that's that. If you guys have any requests or comments, leave those down below. And remember, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday tutorials, so please subscribe to help support that. So yeah, that's that, and thank you very much for watching.